Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of solar panels and taking a closer look at Tesla's offerings. Are they the best option for your home? Let's find out. Tesla, known for its cutting-edge technology, is now one of the largest solar installers in the nation. They offer solar panels and their unique solar roof in multiple states, promising to match competitors' prices. Tesla's solar panels are high quality, with efficiency ratings ranging from 19.3% to 20.9%. While slightly more efficient panels are available, Tesla's sleek and low-profile design sets them apart from the competition. One exciting feature is the option to pair your solar panels with Tesla's Powerwall batteries, providing you with energy during the night and power outages. Tesla's price match guarantee makes them competitive in terms of cost, and their online estimates are often below the national average. They also provide more upfront information about their warranty, giving you peace of mind. However, one area where Tesla falls short is customer service. While there's limited information on solar industry satisfaction, anecdotal evidence suggests some customers have faced challenges with post-purchase support. If you're looking for an affordable and efficient solar solution with a national brand, Tesla may be the right choice. Their Powerwall battery and sleek design are definitely compelling. But remember, it's always wise to get multiple quotes and explore other reputable installers in your area. That wraps up our review of Tesla's solar panels. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching. This is Product Critique, signing off. Until next time, make informed decisions and harness the power of clean energy.